watching Chiki Doodle!
Hi and welcome to a step-by-step guide of how to draw and paint a rickshaw. Fantastic! Start by bordering the wheels and finishing off the rest of the wheel, and then doing the back part of your rickshaw, the frame and the body. Little bit of detail here and there. Couple of lights on the back. Curve over the roof. Slant the front, making a window. And the light. The front frame. The front wheel. And the doorway. Inside detail a little bit, so we've got our seats and our pole going down the middle. Open door so you can see right in. And then just framing our door. Brilliant. Back seat looking nice and cozy there. Final frame, decorating a pattern on our roof. And there you have it, ready to paint. Let's start with yellow. Painting the main part of the rickshaw's body. What a gorgeous bright colour. Painting very carefully around all the detail because we don't want to paint those by accident. Front part too. And the light. Now for some green. Look at that vibrant green. What a fantastically bright colour. See how it offsets the yellow? A little bit of the roof green too. A sparkly greyish black for the wheels. There. Now for some red to frame our window. And the wheel frames. That's the front one and the back one. And some gorgeous bright pink. Painting a bit of the roof, the inside of the wheels, and the floor for the inside of our auto rickshaw. There, fantabulous. Now for some turquoise for our window. Multicoloured stripy roof. Gorgeous peach for some inner frame. Purple next. You can experiment with any colours you like. You can even do any pattern you like. Painting in our detail and then going for the gold, finalising with our final roof stripe. And some little details here and there. Now brown. We're going to use brown to paint in our inside bits of the chair and our handbrake at the front, and then silver to do the middle pole and the leg of the chair and the little detail on handbrake, and then finally royal blue to complete our seating. And there you have it, an absolutely gorgeous sparkly rickshaw. And here it comes. Beep, beep. Want a ride? Come on then, hop in to our beautiful rainbow rickshaw. Woohoo!
Let's draw a car, kids. Start with 3 curves. 3 circles for the wheels. Connect to do the same for the other wheel too. Make the headlights and the windows. Some final touches and done! Time to add magic. A glittery pink. Blue and cyan for the windows. Amazing! Some purple and yellow for the rest of the car. The headlights with orange. Bling bling. Let's make the wheels fun and colourful too. Green, purple and gold. Yay! Here is the coolest car ever. Keep watching for more videos.
Hey kids! Today we're going to teach you how to draw and paint a gorgeous glittery motorcycle. That's right. Have you ever been on a motorcycle? We're drawing the outline first, starting with the back wheel. This motorcycle frame is going to be made up of lots of different shapes and straight lines and curvy lines, rectangles, circles, all pieced together like a jigsaw puzzle. Now, if it looks a bit complicated because there's quite a lot of detail in our version of a motorcycle, you can always simplify it and do a much easier version, or you can pause the video and just copy each part step by step, one at a time. We have repeated things as well, like once you've done the back wheel, the front wheel's just almost exactly the same. So, time to paint. We're going to do a nice black tyre. And then the inside's going to be purple. And green. We're going to do every other section of our wheel in turquoise. Alternating with yellow. Lovely. The front wheel can be exactly the same. You can be as creative as you like with this. Choose your favourite colours, alternating or doing them the same. It's all up to you. Right, now we're going for the gold. We're going to do little details of our bike. And red. Purple, my favourite colour. Don't you think the back of the motorcycle looks a bit like a rocket ship? I'm just waiting for it to take off into space. Lovely bright green there. It really sets off against the other colours, don't you think? Gorgeous. Following the curvy lines and the straight lines. There, turquoise next. So take your pick of colours and choose where to put them. The good thing about doing lots of detail on our drawing is that you've got lots of different options of where to put different colours. You see, we've got little dabs of gold and purple and blue. It's like a gorgeous patchwork quilt of a motorcycle. Last but not least, it's yellow. That lighter colour really offsets the super bright and dark colours. And we're done! Good job, kids! That's amazing! Wow, look at our bike! It's the best bike ever! Brum, brum! Go on, let's go for a ride!
Hey kids! Choo-choo! Let's draw a train. Start with the tracks. And now our train. Add headlights and the window too. Let's complete the rest of our train. It's super easy. Just follow along. Add all the windows and more details to make the perfect train. Now comes the best part. We have to paint. First, brown. And now let's use some sky blue. Pink on the front and side too. This is going to be the coolest train. Some yellow to make it super fun and bright. Let's use sky blue for all the windows too. Don't forget to paint all the windows. A peach color will look great. Let's quickly fill in. And lastly, a touch of blue. Our amazing train is done. Hope you had fun.
Hey kids, today we're going to learn how to draw and paint a bicycle, my favourite. Starting with the pedal, we're going to draw the outline using a black pen. Some lines and circles going on here. Spokes, the wheel shield, a bit more of the bicycle frame. There you go. Then we're going to do the back part of the bike and the seat, and then framing it to the front. Excellent, a square and a rectangle and our handlebars. Do you ride a bike? Me too. Let's put a basket on it. Then we can put our toys in it. And our front wheel, just like the back one. Double circle. A shield and some lines in the middle. There, it's ready to paint. Let's start with yellow for every other triangle inside the wheels. Ooh, lovely. I like it. What do you think? Purple next. We're going to alternate yellow and purple because we think it looks fantastic. But you can choose your favourite colours. What's your favourite colour? Mine's purple. Now green for the bicycle tyres. First the back one. There, now the front one. Next we're going to use pink for the wheel shield. Ooh, very nice. And the seat. And some turquoise. This is one of my favourite colours too. Doesn't it look brilliant? Our basket can be turquoise too. And red for some details. Pedal and some silver, little bits here and there. And for our main frame we're going to use gorgeous gold and some brown and some peach. Last but not least, let's go back to our yellow to finish off our bicycle frame. Green to finalise the back and the front. And there you have it. The best bicycle in the whole wide world. Come on, let's go for a ride.